Welcome to Chapter 5, Section 2, a problem-solving investigation. The main idea for this is to solve problems by acting them out. Now, I don't think this means acting them out in a physical way, but maybe actually trying them and seeing how they work out. So again, the main idea for this is solve problems by acting them out. So, here we go, pies. Darnell and Ayana bought 8 1/4 pounds of peaches. Each pie requires 1 1/3 pound of peaches. How many pies can Darnell and Ayan make? So you know they have blank pounds of peaches. They have 8 1/4 pounds of peaches. And each pie requires 1 1/3 pounds of those peaches. You need to determine how many pies they can make. So using a scale, find or create something that weighs approximately 1 1/3 pounds. Keep adding 1 1/3 pound items to the scale until the total weight is as close to 8 1/4 pounds as possible without going over. All right, so you're actually not going to do this, but this is the idea. Okay, this is the idea. You're going to find something that is approximately the right amount of weight and just keep recording. Now, each time you do that, 1 1/3 plus 1 1/3 plus 1 1/3 plus 1 1/3 plus 1 1/3 and 1 1/3. We did this 6 times. So 6 1 1/3 pound items weighs. All right, so you're going to have to do some addition here. So 1 1/3. 6 of them, well, that would be 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that's 6. So you have 6 wholes. And then 1/3 plus 1/3 is 2/3. This would be 3/3, 4/3, 5/3, and 6/3. So 6/3. All right, well, 6/3 is equal to 2. So altogether, this equals 8 pounds. All right, now 7 1 1/3 would weigh more than 8 1/4. If you have 8 pounds, and if you add one more 1 1/3, you end up with 9 1/3. That's much more than the amount that you have. So then you know that you have enough for 6. So basically what you're doing is you're going to come up with a plan that you would actually act out, except instead mathematically you're going to just act it out in mathematical form. So 7 1/3 items would weigh 8. Oh, we did this. So 9 1/3 pounds. Since they only have 8 1/4 pounds of peaches, they do not have enough to make 7 pies. So you actually acted out making a pie, 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 until you ended up with just close to the amount that you needed. So we're going to do the same thing here. Isabella plans to fill a pitcher that holds this many cups with lemonade. Each glass she will use to serve the lemonade holds 1 2/5 cups. So how many guests can she serve lemonade to if each guest has 1 glass full? So we're going to start with this small number, and we're going to say, all right, 1 2/5 plus 1 2/5 plus 1 2/5, and we're basically going to pick a time when we know, or at least think we'll be under. So I'm going to stop right here. I'm going to stop at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 glasses. All right, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Well, that's 5 holes. And then when we're looking at 2/5 plus 2/5 plus 2/5 and so on, that ends up being 2, 4, 6, 8, 10/5, which is 2 wholes. So altogether, you end up with 7 cups. Now compare that to 7 and 2/3 cup. It's underneath, so we can make 7 cups. If we do one more cup, if we add another 1 and 2/5, we end up with 8 and 2/5, which is way too much. So what we do is you just keep adding all this stuff together until you get close and see if your answers make sense. So to answer this, you can make 7 cups. All right. So what you're going to do right now is your CYUs are on page 254. You're going to do numbers 1 and 2. All right, do not forget to do these. And good luck.